let's have a look. Here, I've got two 50-gram masses and a 10-gram mass, making 110 grams, and I'm going to pop that down there. Bring this one up so you can have a look at this. Here, on this one, hopefully you can see I've got two 50-gram masses. And I'll pop that one down here, and let's make sure it's focused on the right thing now. There we go. And so I'm going to hang my 110 grams on this side, if I can find the loop to pop it through. It's got a little bit twisted. Hopefully that's it. There we go. And leave that hanging there. So that's my 110 grams. And then I'm going to pop 100 grams on this side and just release and watch what happens. Amazing. Physics magic. The 100 grams lifted the 110 grams. But what was going on here?